Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about computers. What is a computer? How computer defined? A computer is an electronic device that accepts information and instructions from a user, manipulates the information according to the instructions, and displays the information in some way and stores the information for retrieval later. So firstly, it accepts data such as zero of facts and figures and symbols, then processes the data into information, and finally produces and stores results. Computer includes hardware and a software. The hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, while software refers to the intangible components of a computer, particularly the programs or list of instructions that computer needs to perform a specific task. The design and construction of the hardware of a particular computer is referred to as its architect or configuration, while the technical details about each component are called its specifications. The hardware components, as we said, are physical parts, may include processor, memory chips, input-output devices, tapes, disks, modems, cables, and etc. The system unit box, like case, contains the major electronic components used to process data. This is the outer look of the case, while the inner look of the computer case is this. While the main unit of the computer is this processor or the motherboard, the main electronic component of a computer is called its circuit board. The processor or central processing unit is one of the most important pieces of processing hardware on the motherboard. Memory and storage may be permanent or temporary, holding place for data and instructions, thus are removable circuit boards. Hardware disk, the magnetic storage device, is the computer. RAM is the random access memory, stores data or process while they are being used. What is an input device? An input device is a hardware used to enter data and instructions. You can see different type of input devices which are pointed with the red arrows. The input devices may include the keyboard, pointing devices like mouse, and the scanner, while the output devices are what are output devices? Output devices are the hardware that conveys information to a user. The red pointing arrows point towards different output devices, which may include monitors and printers. The monitor may be flat panel, LCD, and modem is the place where the computer is connected to the phone line. What is a network card? It is a circuit board that connects the computer to the rest of the network, usually using special cables. Software components, as I told you, are the programs that tell a computer what to do. It provides instructions that the CPU will need to carry out. System softwares, or there may be an application software. The system software may be the operating system or the Windows that we uses. Application software may include document production software like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, etc., website creation and management softwares. The disk operating system, the software that connect the hardware with the program you want to run, like MS-DOS. Microsoft Disk Operating System is a command line user interface. This is an example of an MS-DOS. Windows is a family of operating system developed by Microsoft Corp. It provides a software graphical user interface used on IBM and compatible computers. Categories of computer, this maybe includes personal computers like desktop, mobile and computers and mobile devices, mid-range servers, mainframe computers and supercomputers. The PC and compatible uses the Windows operating system, while Apple Macintosh uses the Macintosh operating system. These are the two powerful